crucified. Crucified. Hanging on a cross. His blood being poured out for each one of us. You know, forgiveness, none of us would be here without it. And it's not just about the forgiveness that the Lord has given to each of us, but it's also about the forgiveness that we give one to another. You know, many times in life, somebody says something that we don't like, or somebody does something to us. And we begin to allow unforgiveness to set in. And you know, in life, everybody can say, I've been done wrong. But this morning would be a great day to let this go. You know, God is the God of second chances, and third chances, and fourth chances. And His mercies are new every morning. And when we were unlovable, He loved us.